Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Android version and available storage, because compatibility matters. Once done, enable installs from unknown sources or prepare an alternate app store like an open-source repository. This lets you sideload. Make sure to back up current app data to micro SD or cloud. That prevents loss if you remove play-linked packages. You'll also want a file manager and simple browser installed, so you can download the correct APK and follow the next steps without needing Google Play services. Now pick a play-free client, new pipe for lightweight playback, or advanced fork if you want background playback. Alternatively, install YouTube as a progressive web app in your browser. Download the compatible APKs and, if required, a micro G replacement only if signing or login features are needed. Otherwise, skip it. Install with your file manager and accept required permissions. Once installed, disable auto-updates from any app store to avoid play-dependent updates, and test playback and background audio to confirm operation. Finish by signing into the client if supported, syncing subscriptions, and verifying background playback and downloads. Make sure casting and notifications work. Some features tied to Google may be unavailable. If the app crashes or misbehaves, clear its data, uninstall, and reinstall the exact APK versions that match your device. Alternatively, switch to the browser progressive web app, which sidesteps APK issues. Finally, avoid broad micro G installs unless necessary. Use the minimal replacement to reduce conflicts with other apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.